Hey guys, hardly welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Budi. Today I am discussing with you what is the viruses and non-viruses difference between them for the transmission of the modes. It's vector and non-vector of the transmission of modes. Okay, so look at that. Firstly, we are discussing with what is the vectors. Vectors are responsible to be transmission of the viruses into the directly form, such as mosquitoes, arthropods, and flies and ticks. These are the four main types of the vector are responsible to many viruses, means many diseases are caused to be them and transmit to be directly for the our body. Okay, and what is the non-vector? Non-vector means it is a physical contact between each other. For example, um, we have to be one small wound. Okay, this wound are attached, these wounds are infected to the blood infected causes of the already to be disease such as hepatitis disease and botulisms and hiv and all that's to be, and this blood infected blood are mistakenly contact to be our wound. So these viruses, this genome material are directly transferred to be our body. Okay, it's known as a non-vector transmission of the viruses. Okay, so look at that, what is the difference between them, vectors and non-vector transmission of virus. Firstly guys, vectors, four main types of vectors we are commonly discussed: mosquitoes, second is arthropods, third is flies, and fourth is ticks. Okay, these are responsible to causes of the more than disease such as diarrhea and dengue and measles, botulism, hepatitis, all that's to be named. Okay, and second is non-vector. Non-vector. Non-vector carried by guys to be physical contact or sneezing, coughing, and another to be them. Okay, these are responsible to be non-vectors are directly transferred to be more than the disease. This is the main difference carried between them, because viruses is transferred to be two form, because these are the vectors are undergoes carried to be replication between the our twin replication, and they are made by their twin copies and carried to be this infected copies are transmitted, means inserted to the our body, our skin, and these are multiplied over causes to be more than diseases. Okay, also to be non-vectors we are used by also responsible to be causes of the infection. Transmitted viruses, which is then first is measles, second is dengue, third is diarrhea, botulism, hiv. Okay guys, these are contact carried to be physical contact and directly transferred to be. Also for the non-vector is the main point to be, for example, infected person are touched to be our nose, mouth. So these are also responsible to be transmission of the viruses. Okay, these are carried to be major difference between the vectors and non-vector of transmission of the viruses. I hope to understand to you guys. Please take a screenshot because it's a common and very quickly understand point, and it's very easy for the transmission of viruses. So vectors are responsible to be transmitted to, is also known as to be direct transmission. Okay, and non-vector is also known as to be indirect transmission. Okay, direct and indirect different between the we are I am consider for you into the next video, but look at that to be them and observe. So thank you.